Welcome back. Florida's Stand Your Ground law has been on the books since 2005, but really became a public focus after Trayvon Martin's death 5 years ago. Self-appointed citizen cop George Zimmerman claimed that he'd feared the 17-year-old and shot him. We may never know the real facts of that night, and that's at least one reason an enhancement about to be made to Florida's Stand Your Ground law should not be. As it stands, accused killers looking for stand your ground immunity, they have to prove that they'd been acting in self-defense. Florida lawmakers are about to give that responsibility to prosecutors to prove they were not or drop the case. On face value, that might make sense because by law, innocent until proven guilty, the burden of proof is always on the prosecution to do that. But here's where that argument starts to fall apart. Individual perception, implicit bias, gut reaction, those can too easily blur the lines between self-defense and vigilante justice. And that's where evidence and explanation come in. The right to strike out comes with a responsibility to prove why. The state Supreme Court thought so in a 2015 ruling. Gun legislation is always so mired in the politics of left and right, it's difficult to find common sense answers. There may be one in a study published a few months ago in the Journal of the American Medical Association. Using a decade of statistics, the study blames Florida's Stand Your Ground law with an almost 32% increase in deaths by gunfire. The law removed restrictions on when and where people may use lethal force. That law, as it stands, like it or not, provides plenty of cover for people to defend themselves and their properties. But a majority of Florida lawmakers think otherwise, and they're on track to send this burden of proof change to the governor's desk, and that may well happen in the next week. So what do you think about that or anything in the news? We invite you to weigh in on any topic you like.
And we love hearing from you. Facebook, Twitter, any of these addresses, we're easy to find. And we'd like to hear from you. And remember, as always, stay informed, get involved, have a beautiful Sunday.